All right, let's do this. Let's talk about the biggest thing that is causing you so much headache in your business. And it's getting everything done. Trust me, I know you're overwhelmed by your to-do list and all the things you've got to do, but here's my secret, and trust me, it works so well. It's time blocking. And in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how I time block so I can make sure I don't feel so overwhelmed and I schedule my tasks the right way so I can usually take a 3-day weekend. Who wouldn't want that, right? Everybody's working for the weekend. Hi, I'm Trina, a YouTube strategist, and I started this channel to help creative entrepreneurs like you get on YouTube to grow your business. Now, if you haven't done so yet, or you're brand new to my channel, hello, make sure you subscribe by clicking that red subscribe button down below and hit the little bell guy so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video to help you. And today I want to help you by just getting organized, being more productive, and understanding the importance of time blocking in your schedule to really get everything done. So I never really understood time management. I honestly cannot remember what I did in college to get things done. I think I just basically procrastinated. But now as a mom of two, with clients and students and a business, I've got to manage time, right? Or otherwise I'll be up till 4 o'clock in the morning and then the kids are up 2 hours later. So the one strategy that has really helped me is time blocking. And what this means is I will block certain tasks for certain times of the day. So for me, Mondays are generally a client day. I have one specific client where I work on all of his work on Mondays. The reason for this is because my mom comes here, and so I have the kids here. I can't really film. I can't really go on live. So it's the time for me to focus on his work. Plus we have a team meeting that day. So I'm able to stay in that zone instead of switching to something else and just like losing time going from hat to hat, right? I love using Google Calendar to really map this out and to have color-coded tabs or color-coded appointments. So I can just look at my Google Calendar and see what is going on that day and where I have time. Then I actually only open my calendar for scheduling one-on-one calls with me only from Tuesdays to Thursdays every other week. The reason being is I don't want to have to switch hats constantly to get onto a client call. I want to have a week where I can focus on other things. So for me, Tuesdays are strictly my business day. So whether that means planning my social media, filming my videos, working on updating my course, Tuesdays are strictly business time for me. Again, I don't want to have to take my client hat off, take my coaching hat off, and put my business hat on, because then I'm just losing time in between trying to catch up, pull up different files. It just, let me tell you, wastes so much time. So one of the best ways that I figured to block time is to take certain days for certain tasks. That's how you first want to get started. So client days are Monday, my business days are Tuesday, then I have another client day on Wednesday, but the mornings are for my coaching clients, right? So I respond to their questions, I update their Trello board, I make sure that they're doing well and where they need to be, and do I need to edit one of their videos, or do they need a thumbnail, or where are they at? That's where I focus on them because I have my coaching hat on. Then in the afternoon, I'm back to that client that I work with on Mondays. And so I'm back into his zone of genius in the afternoons on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, again, I do a lot of work with this client, so that's his day as well. And I save some time towards the end of the day on Thursday as catch up. Do I have emails to send? Do I have some administrative work to send? And then there are certain days throughout the month that I always reserve for me. So the last Wednesday of every single month is a finance and number day. So in this day, I get all my taxes together, all my invoices, break down everything that's happened in my business.
Okay. You've got 17.5% in T-bills amortized over the fiscal year.
Plus track all of my numbers. So Pinterest followers, YouTube growth, YouTube subscribers, email subscribers, all of those key performance indicators that you've really got to focus on to see if what you're doing actually works or not. I have one of those days every single month. And of course, I always have a Tuesday devoted just to videos because I'm always filming videos, whether it's for here on YouTube, for Facebook, for my course, for my email list. I always have one day of the month devoted just to video. So question, do you do any type of time blocking? Where do you find it's hard to time block? Let me know down in the comments below. Remember, if you have not done so yet, make sure you hit that circle picture of me on the screen to subscribe and check out that playlist that I'm suggesting for you to watch next on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.